What if I told you Google just released something that changes how you create content? It's called NotebookLM, and it's probably the most underrated Google AI tool in the world. It can take your PDFs, YouTube videos, even entire websites, and turn them into dynamic narrated overviews. AI voice, narration, graphics, all generated automatically. All in a matter of minutes.
Welcome to AI Smart Wealth, where we explore the latest AI tools. In this video, I'll show you how to use new video overview feature to transform your content into narrated videos automatically. At the end, I'll reveal a little-known trick that makes these video overviews sound even more natural and punchy.
All right, let's dive into this powerful tool that I personally use every single day. First, go to NotebookLM.google.com. That's where everything starts. Here in the featured notebook section, you can see some example projects created by other users. If you click on See More, you'll get access to a wider range of notebooks perfect for exploring what's possible with Notebook. Now, let's create our own notebook. At the top of the page, click on My Notebooks, and then select Create New Notebook. This is where everything starts, your personalized AI workspace inside Notebook. Next, we'll upload our own sources. Click on Upload Sources, and then choose your file. You can add PDFs, text documents, or even articles, anything you want Notebook to analyze. You can also import directly from Google Drive, paste a website link, or even add a YouTube video. And if you just want to copy and paste some text, you can do that too. It's super flexible, letting you bring all your sources together in one place. Down here, you'll see the source limit. On the free plan, Notebook lets you upload up to 50 sources. That's actually a lot for most projects. So you can easily experiment without paying a single dollar. Now let's jump into the most exciting part, Discover Sources. This feature allows you to automatically find and pull in content for your project. It's basically your built-in content researcher powered by Google AI. Once you click on Discover Sources, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here, you can type anything you're interested in, for example, marketing, financial planning, or even YouTube growth. And if you're not sure what to search for, just click I'm feeling curious at the bottom. It'll instantly suggest random, trending topics powered by Google's AI. For this example, I typed weight loss and exercise as my topic. Down here, we can choose where Notebook should search for information from the web or directly from Google Drive. I'll select Web and hit Submit. Now watch what happens. Notebook automatically starts finding and organizing the most relevant sources for me. As you can see, Notebook has selected 10 sources for me. I can choose which sources to keep or remove. For example, one source might be which is better for losing weight, diet, or exercise. I can activate or deactivate any of them. Once I've made my selections, I simply click Import and Notebook is ready to process my chosen sources. Over on the left, you might notice that some sources have issues. They're highlighted in red. We can simply click on them and remove those sources. This ensures that only valid, reliable content is included in our notebook. At the bottom, you can ask questions or simply click on pre-made ones. For example, what is the relationship between physical activity type and total energy expenditure? Notebook instantly gives the answers. Or does diet or exercise matter more for weight loss? As you click on each question, the answers appear right here. And of course, you can type your own questions too, making this a fully interactive experience. Now, let's move to the really exciting part we've been waiting for. On the right side, select Video Overview. This is where Notebook transforms all your selected sources and questions into a fully narrated, AI-powered video summary. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, Notebook starts generating the video overview. This process might take a little time, depending on the number of sources and questions you've selected, but it's completely worth the wait. Normally, creating a video like this would take hours. You'd have to go through each source, summarize it, and then assemble the video manually. That process could take hours or even days. But as you can see right now, Notebook can do it in just a few minutes. It's absolutely incredible. While the video is being generated, let me show you a few additional options: flashcards and quiz. Flashcards are super useful for learning and memorizing key concepts. As you can see, it automatically generates questions like energy expenditure flashcard questions directly from your content. This makes studying and reviewing much faster and interactive. Similarly, it can create quizzes, a very powerful and professional feature for teachers and educators. You can see that it generates questions directly from your content. For example, the first question shows for answer choices A, B, C, D. If I click on B, it's incorrect highlighted in red and the correct answer appears in green. This makes testing and reviewing content extremely interactive and efficient. Now we're at the main part, the moment everything comes together. Here, the video has been generated. Let's dive in and see how Notebook has created a fully narrated, AI-powered video overview for us.
All right, we are about to dive into a huge puzzle right at the heart of fitness and weight loss, one that pretty much challenges everything we've been told about exercise. I mean, it seems like the simplest question in the world, doesn't it? Go to the gym more, burn more calories, lose more weight. It's the basic formula we've all been taught. But what if that formula is fundamentally completely flawed? And here is our first. This absolutely baffling discovery is at the core of what scientists are now calling the exercise puzzle. So let's dig in. This brings us to the main event.
And here's the trick I promised you. This one instantly makes your video overviews sound more human, more natural, and way more engaging. Just type this prompt exactly like I do. Now hit generate and watch what happens. Notebook turns all those sources into a narrated video automatically. That's the real power of this tool.
Which source would you use first if you wanted to create a 5-minute AI video overview, PDF, YouTube, or website? Comment below. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AI tutorials like this.